Hey you guys, welcome back to Lynette's Life. He took over and introduced himself. Today we are going to be doing the
Eating Red Food Challenge.
Eating Red Food Challenge is what he said. You heard him correctly. But we're going to do it a little different. We have a little cup here with numbers on them.
And we got numbers on the red stuff. So whichever number we pull out of this cup, we have to eat it on the exact same number it's on. Like say if we pull like an 11 or something, we have to eat the number on the package.
That's correct.
Oh, and I know you guys haven't seen me for a while because I haven't been in any videos, but when I get older, look out for Sheldon or just Bad Boy, because that's going to be my YouTube channel name. Link in the description below when I create it. Take it away, Mama.
Okay, guys, so I don't know, I'm kind of out of the thing a little bit, but okay, that looks a little better. But anyway, so we have watermelon. We have some Flamin' Hot Ruffles. Y'all, I opened these already. My bad, but they're my favorites, and I had to.
Yes,
We got the gel peaches, which is the Dole. It's like in a Jello.
Sounds delicious. Sounds like the real deal.
We have these Mi Costanita. I don't know, but I'm having a feeling that these are gonna be kind of spicy.
Oh.
I've never had these before. He's never had these before. I know this say chili. So I know this is gonna probably be a little spicy. It's not a lot, but I have that. We have these say chili too. So I'm thinking that this one, the last one I showed you guys, is this crushed up. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try it. Y'all bear with me because y'all know I've been having teeth problems. I go to the dentist tomorrow and probably shouldn't be eating all this stuff, but yeah. So we have beef ravioli because they come in a red sauce. We have applesauce strawberry. We have red wine vinegar.
Why?
We have this sambal orlic. It's a fresh ground chili paste.
What?
We have Powerade. And y'all, these aren't in any specific order. They are already numbered. We have the cinnamon bears, the gummies, and we have sparkling ice black raspberry.
Which I know is your favorite, because I've been, in the past few years or days, I've been seeing her drink that.
We also have our cups with ice in them already, you know, for the drinks, because I kind of had forgot to put them in the refrigerator, you guys. Yeah. So some of them are cold, some of them aren't, but just in case, we do have that.
And she got the spoons for, you know, the jellos and stuff that we have to scoop up and put in our mouths with the spoon.
Correct. So we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first in the drawing. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it!
Doesn't mean I'm going to get some good.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, and also once we pick the number, you cannot pick that number again. We're going to put the numbers that we pulled to the side. You want to shake it up and let me pull?
Yeah.
I can already tell this looks like an 8.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
What? No!
I got the cinnamon bears.
Well, there's still a chance for me to get something else.
Yeah, let's get something good. Besides, I've never had these kind, so I don't know. Oh, they're big. Y'all see that? Those are kind of big. Yeah. They're bigger than regular gums.
Yeah. How does it taste?
Nice cinnamon.
Okay.
It's all right.
My go.
Okay,
you can shut it up.
Where's my bag? I had a bag over there. I put the trash.
Okay, guys. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I have a feeling it's gonna be 11. I got 11.
Oh, that's 11?
Yeah.
I can't even remember if you eat these.
I think I did eat those before. But I don't think I ate those kinds.
Yeah, I know you eat applesauce, but I don't know if you had the strawberry.
Okay.
You like that?
Yeah, it's cool.
At least I know it won't go to waste. Please come out. You can save it for later, just in case you get something you don't like.
Yeah, to get the taste out. Okay, Mama.
I think I remember this one because this is the only
It was
one I
at this
folded
moment
like
I
this.
knew I
think it's
fucked up.
one.
What is one? Oh!
The one thing I did not want. Oh my gosh.
It's probably gonna taste bad. I'm glad I didn't get no one, cause I ain't drinking no wine. But I know.
Well, it's low in calories and fat. It's perfect for salads. Oh well, might mix it in some dressing. Marinade and sauces, adding a burst of flavor to every meal.
Oh, and y'all see I'm in my pajamas, my creeper, and my Fortnite shorts. I couldn't find the Fortnite shirt, so I thought I'd mix it up a bit. Fortnite
And it doesn't have any sodium, so that works out perfect for me.
Yeah, but not.
Because I can't have sodium.
Okay.
Not too much of it anyway. Oh, that was it. Because I didn't bring an extra cup, so I just take a little shot of this.
Let's just hope she don't
That
get...
good enough?
Yeah, that's good enough.
I probably shouldn't have smelled it first.
Oh, you gotta do it, girl, for the fans. For the fans.
Y'all see?
We're heading for 10,000 subscribers. Oh. Judging by her look, it's terrible. I'm glad I didn't get that.
Whew, I believe if you would have got that one, you would have quit.
Yeah. But
Oh, God.
but if I would have got that, I would think of the fans.
Oh.
Oh, heck no. I'm glad I didn't get that. Oh, it smells all right. Please be something good. Please be something good. Please. Judging by this, it looks like a 3 or a 5. Please not be. 12? What's 12?
Aw, man.
Oh, yes.
So you want to post some in your
Go.
ice?
Yeah. Yeah, I never...
He got the sparkling ice blue raspberry.
I never drunk this stuff before.
Give you a shot of that.
Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's one of my favorites. I mean, he get to keep my drink, y'all.
Oh, I'll share it with you.
Thank you, baby. I share my red wine vinegar with
Nah. Nah.
Okay, let's see. Come
Okay.
on. Luck be with me. Luck be with me. Luck be with me. Please, let me win. 9.
Oh, I can.
9.
I can.
Oh, I got the Powerade.
I can still smell that wine.
This was not supposed to go like this. I was supposed to get my sparkling water, and he was supposed to get the Powerade, y'all.
Well, looks like
I had McDonald's. Well, we had McDonald's a little bit ago.
looks like Jesus wants us to mix it up a bit. Looks like he wants me to try new stuff in you.
I don't want to pour too much of this.
Yeah, save it till
Because
later.
I'll probably be giving you that one too.
Yup. Okay.
It's Powerade, y'all.
Mama, I hope.
Nothing fancy.
Mama, I hope I don't get sick.
Let's see. Oh, that.
Yeah.
You better hope you don't get one of them.
Oh, heck
which
no.
the odds are against you.
Oh,
There
heck.
you go.
Oh, God, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, yes! This looks like a 3.
3.
Hold on.
A 13!
No!
Let me just say,
No!
y'all, this mess here was disgusting.
Oh, I couldn't
When I
see
tell
the
you, I will
one.
never. That went straight in the trash after this video.
Why? Oh, God. I might not recover from this. Why? Why?
Mind y'all,
Why does it have to be me that has to get that?
I don't even know what this is, y'all.
So we don't know what it tastes like.
So I couldn't even help him.
I'm scared.
I mean, oh, it's 23% sodium in that.
Oh.
I mean, I guess I could look it up online.
At least
But I think I like the mystery of it all.
I'm glad I got this and this. To
But
wipe out the taste. You know what? I'm gonna get it.
oh my God, it's so hard.
I'm gonna prepare. Wish me luck, guys.
We're already at 12 minutes.
Why did it have to be me? What? Uh-oh, judging by it, look, it smells bad.
I'm just gonna break you off a little corner of this because I'm not sure. And it's so pasty. Really?
Dang it. I see where it is. Oh.
But it smells.
Oh. Not that
Put the
bad.
whole thing in your mouth.
Oh, heck no.
Yes.
Not that bad, actually. Oh, wait.
He lied.
It tastes good for a minute. Ugh.
Oh no.
Wow.
Oh no.
If that tastes bad, imagine what those
Come
two
on,
taste.
shake me up. Oh geez, you can have both of them.
Heck.
Cause they taste anything like that. Oh, when it's stuck in my tooth. You just breast check yourself.
Yes.
I got 6. I got the one you didn't want. But I'm okay with this because if it's anything like the sriracha, then I'll be okay. I kind of like different little hot sauces.
Ooh.
That stuff was nasty. I'm so sorry you had to go through that.
Yes.
Then I made you try the whole thing. Oh. That would be my luck to get through the foil.
Ah.
And it's got plastic. That's alright though. Oh yeah, this is just like the Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this.
Ugh.
You wouldn't have been able to handle this as hot. This
Yeah.
is just like the sriracha.
Yo, don't pour
That's pretty good.
too much.
I like that.
I already went through the pain for pouring too much.
No, you did like hot sauce though, regular hot sauce.
No, I did like that green stuff with the in the green pack. Please be something good. Please be something good. Oh, I hope it. Please don't be 10.
10 is the ravioli.
Okay.
And we ain't gonna heat them up. He can heat them up afterwards. But Which we know he like raviolis anyway.
Mm-hmm. I like raviolis. I'm glad I got number 10. I was panicking.
Doodle, let me put it.
If I would have got 2 or 4, I would have been bad luck.
I need something to get that taste out of my mouth because that Powerade ain't doing it. 2.
Oh! She got this. She got this. Payback. But why am I saying payback when I know I'm going to get number 4?
You don't know that.
It's going to taste the same as what I just went through. I'm glad to do this with you. Oh, just me.
Oh man, I was not trying to do that much. Saved by the nail, unfortunately.
It stank?
I'm trying to see if it smells anything like that, but it kind of smells like. It almost smells like crawfish seasoning.
I don't eat crawfish, so I don't think I'll like it.
Yeah. It's okay. I could actually mix this in with some other seasonings, and it will be bomb. It'll add just that right amount of kick. I'm gonna keep this.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that.
Okay, looks like we have one more nightmare.
But that actually wasn't too bad. Who are you praying?
Yes, to not be a foe. Oh. And no, guys, there's no turning back after you pull the number. Please, no.
Did you put on deodorant today? No. 7.
I was about to say.
No. Did you?
No. Here you go. Okay. So
I mean, I know you like Jell-O and I know you like peaches, but will you like them together? Is the question, because I never buy those. I don't like my fruit mixed with my
Jell-O.
You gotta make sure you get peaches now.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
If you would have took it from the side.
Yes.
You don't like that?
The peach, but the Jell-O looks okay.
So you like your mom, you don't like your fruit mixed with your Jell-O.
That's just wrong.
Okay, we coming up on 18 minutes.
That's just wrong.
Clean your spoon out. Now you can shuffle it. So you don't want this? Oh, you didn't learn the Jell-O is bomb. Maybe you can just keep them and eat the Jell-O. It's not that bad.
We have 3 numbers left.
Yep. Come on, Neil. Don't fail me. Oops. Watch, I should have put this one back instead of that egg. Who gonna get 4? Me!
Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Let's go! I thought I was gonna get that, but I'm glad I didn't. I guess my praying paid off.
So this is a whole Pequeen chili?
Pequeen.
Whatever that is.
Pequeen. That's pretty shiny.
Oh, and this one was a chili for orange. I don't know what that means, but...
Mama,
No, baby.
remind me never to let you buy these again. Because that other one was disgusting. Oh, it's terrible. I'm glad I didn't get that. I'm glad I didn't get that. Judging by her reaction, it was nasty. Mama, tell the fans how you think that is. Oh, dang, it's super hot. I'm glad I didn't get that. Ew.
Mmm.
One neck.
Okay.
20.
I'm
Oh,
gonna have to get my daddy to try these.
we have two.
I love spice, y'all, but this
Takes the spice to a whole nother level.
it's like when I'm eating spicy foods, like whatever the food is that's mixed with the spice combats it. But this is like non-stop. Like right now, it's like it's building up in my mouth where I chewed it up at. It has a real, like the taste of it is to be expected. A dried chili.
Yeah, we have two left.
It tastes like a dried chili, y'all. But the thing that gets it is you're so focused on how nasty it tastes that you don't realize that the heat is kicking in on you.
Yeah.
But oh, that's like I burped and it reactivated it. Oh God.
Okay.
Like I can still feel a little tingle on my tongue.
I'm glad I didn't get that.
Well, the last two are good, so
I hope I don't get that. I'm glad I didn't get that. So I hope I have to get the chips or the watermelons.
and I got this one, so we're just gonna open these last two at the same time, you guys.
I got 5, and that is watermelon. And you got 3, which
So
is...
I get my chips.
Dang it, I wanted those so badly. Well, but at least I get the watermelons. I'm cool with it. I'm cool.
And because I like to eat my chips with
Hot sauce?
salsa or queso or whatever you want to call it, cheese.
Look how big this one.
Oh, you got the biggest one out of there. Okay, champ. They yours anyway. You want them fair and square.
Score for both of us. Okay. So I got 1 bad one, 3 good ones. What?
You got 2 bad. You got that and the little cake thing. And you got 4 good. You got the sparkling water, the applesauce, strawberry, and the raviolis. I ended up getting 1, 2 bad as well. Yeah.
Y'all, comment
No,
down.
I got 3 bad, so I lost because I got the 2 chilies
Woo.
and the red vinegar, the red wine vinegar.
Okay, y'all, comment down below if you want us to do eat your color that you're wearing. Like if, say, I'm wearing green and I have to eat green food. Say she's wearing red, she has to eat red food. Yeah.
We ain't discussed this. I don't know where he came from with them. But do
Comment
like
down
the prince
below.
say, y'all. The prince said it. Comment down below. Like, subscribe, send your friends over,
Share it with family members.
and we'll do it.
And also, if you want to see me do some reactory or my mama, just say CH for short, so you don't have to write my full name. And MM
No.
for mama.
We ain't doing all that.
Okay.
But the first one, eat what you wearing that day. We can definitely do that. You sure you up for it? I mean, you gotta be very mindful of what you wearing for whatever day we choose. And you ain't gonna know what day I'm gonna choose to say let's do it.
Oh, shoot.
I know, right?
So I better not wear pajamas.
You better not. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this challenge. We'll be coming back at you with some more bangers. So
Yeah.
just like, subscribe, comment, you know, do all the usual. And again, we're signing off at Lynette's